Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to invest in PiggyVest Investify as a beginner. Now, to do this is very simple. As you can see, at the bottom there is an invest option right there. You click on it. Now, first of all, PiggyVest Investify is used for investing in stocks or businesses. So you basically buy things from them, invest in the business. Now, as you can see, when you click on Investify, it gives you vetted opportunities. You just click on one. As you can see, that one is sold out, but don't worry, you can still get other ones. If you click on Invest, you see it is sold out. See offers. You click on See offers, and you can see investors you can buy from. Usually there are lots of. In this case, it's just one that's left. They each have different prices. You are to read the risks or read this entire thing, the offers and everything, and then I hereby confirm my decision, blah blah blah. Also impute the units you want to buy. This is the price. As you can see, I want to buy 200 things for 1,115,790 naira. So yeah, you cannot buy from investors. But to do this, you also need to fund your PiggyVest Naira Flex. You need to fund that because the money is taken from your Naira Flex account. So once you're sure you click once you're sure you click buy from investors, then you just wait. It will show that you're first from new investors. And that's basically it. Once it's time, once maturity date reaches, you get your principal plus interest and any other extra that you will get. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.